Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark, we are making beaded fabric jewelry. We're dyeing the fabric with Artistic Vivations metallic concepts, which can be used for all kinds of things. Artistic Vivations were invented by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is the inventor of unicorn spit. And these colorants are amazing. You can use them on wood, you can use them on metal, you can dye fabrics with them like we're doing today, you can turn them into alcohol inks, so many things. Are you ready? Let's make some fabric jewelry. Archaeologists have found evidence of textile dyeing going back to the Neolithic period, otherwise known as the New Stone Age, which began around 10,200 BC. The idea for the sewing machine dates back to Europe's Industrial Revolution of the 18th century. The first patent for something resembling a sewing machine was held by Thomas Saint, an English inventor, but the first truly functional machine was created by Barthélemy Timonier in 1830. Necklaces are one of the earliest types of adornment worn by humans, with evidence showing they were worn in the Paleolithic period, about 2.5 million years ago. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And for more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!